Hey guys, we're just going to show you how to pull apart a deer, that's all. So if you grab an arm, go right in the armpit, she'll open up for you, give it a couple of swipes, and just make sure there's your back strap, there's one arm. We'll take the other one off. See, out of the back strap. There's the other arm. And then this is the flank. Come down. Make sure you don't go too deep into the back strap. Come straight down the rib. Pull your flank off. Here's one more. Don't go into the back strap. Just right on top of it. Pull your flank off. Here's your tenderloins. You go straight down the middle and you kind of scoop them out. And then grab that tip. And just rotate them. You can pull them all the way out and all the way up in there. A lot of people just cut them off, like right there. There's another big chunk up in there. Same thing with the other one. Reach in there and scoop them out. Nice whole tenderloins. Get the whole thing. Then for your back strap, if you just follow the curvature of the leg, you can come in, go up right there at the top sirloin of the deer right there, and you just follow straight down the spine, all the way to the neck on both sides. You can get that whole strap in one go. Up, in, scoop, get yourself a little finger tab, down the spine. Then you follow that cut you made with your flank, go straight down the deer, and you reach in here and you let your knife just hug the bone. And you can get a big, beautiful back strap, and it will peel right out. Boom. Big whole back strap. One more time to the other side. Let your knife hug the bone. You're just riding the bone. And you can peel him out. You saw how I boned out the legs on the video the other day. So make yourself a knife handle, and right back here is a vertebrae joint. Go in, side, side,